Students, how are you all? Hope you all are very well and studying regularly. I hope you all are watching my videos and you have already subscribed my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Myself Mahima Laharia from Vijayanagar College Hospate. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Students, today we are going to see the Aufbau principle. As we know that there are many principles which we have to learn before filling the electronic configurations of the elements. So the most important principles are our Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principles, and our Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Order of filling of electrons in the subshells is governed by the three principles: Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rules of maximum multiplicity. So first we will study our Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. Aufbau is a German word which means the building up. So according to the principle, the electrons are filled in the various orbitals in order of their increasing energies. So I hope you have already studied this principle in your previous classes. So what is the Aufbau principle? So according to this principle, the electrons are filled in the various orbitals in order of their increasing energies. Thus, an orbital with the lowest energy is filled first. Means if suppose there are two children, है ना, एक छोटा बच्चा एक बड़ा बच्चा है. If one is of 5 years and one is of 15 years and we have to distribute the chocolate, so first the chocolate will be given to 5-year-old age student, a kid. Then we will give to the 15 years. Okay, so similarly when we are filling the electrons in an orbital, we will fill the electrons in the least energy orbital first. So how we will find that energy of which orbital is less, which is high? So there is a simple N plus L rule. So Aufbau principle is also sometimes known as N plus L rule. You don't get confused. If sometimes in examinations they are asking N plus L rule, you have to explain the Aufbau principle only. So what is this N plus L rule? So you already studied the quantum numbers. N plus L means N is our principal quantum number and as L is our azimuthal quantum number. So with the help of this rule, we can say that which orbital has less energy, which orbital has the more energy. See, the rule number 1 is orbitals are filled in order of increasing value of N plus L. So students, the total of N plus L tells us the energy. If the value of N plus is less, it means that orbital is of the low energy. So let us see, for example, if we compare the two orbitals 4s and 3d. So in case of our 4s orbital, the value of N is equals to 4. So in any representation of orbital, what we are doing, this number is our always the principal quantum number and this is our subshell. This is shell, this is subshell. So the value of N is equals to 4 and L is equals to 0. Why? Because if we know as we already know that L is our, if 0 it represents as subshell, it is 1, it represents P, 2 for D. So on. So when we will add N plus L, we will get 4 and in case of 3D, we will for N is equals to 3 and D, it means the value of L is 2 here. So 4 plus 0 is 4 and here 5. So what value is less here? It is 4s. The value for N plus L is less in case of 4s orbital. So we will fill the 4s orbital first, then our 3D. So 4s has less value. It will be filled first, then the 3D. Rule number 2. For the orbitals having the same values of N plus L. Sometimes you may get the same value for N plus L. So what you will do? Then the orbital which have the lower value of N will be filled first. Then the orbital which have the least value of N will be filled first. For example, we compare the two orbitals 2p and 3s. So what is the principal quantum number N value here? It is 2. And what is the value of L? So just to write inside S, P, D, F. So L is 0 for S, 1 for P. So we will write here, it is given not 2P. Here we will not do N minus 1. We will see when it is given the L, P. So we will just see the value. P means it has one value. So we will just add, you will get 3 here. So now for 3s, what is n students? N is our 3 and s, you see what is the value of L? It is 0. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. Now you can see both values are same. This is also 3, this is also 3. So now according to the rule, the orbital which is having the least value of n is filled first. So 2p and 3s both are having the 3 value, but in dono mein small is 2. So n is small in the 2p orbital. So the 2p orbital is filled before 3s because 2p has the less value of n. So I hope this is easy for you all. So just you can take the screenshot to write the notes of above principle. It's not very tough. It's simple, and I already told you that if the question is coming in 1 mark, you can just write it, your definition, and I will show that building up diagram. And if it is coming in 5 mark, then you can elaborate all these points and the rules. So now let us see. Students, first of all, to make the pattern of above principle, just write all the orbitals and then you can start filling the electrons according to the energy. So just start from 1s, then from 1s you move to 2s, then from 2s, filling the 2s, we will move to our 2p orbital. Then after filling 2p, we will come to 3s. Then from 3s, we will go to 3p. Then from 3p, you will come to 4s. Then 4s, 3d. The most important thing in making this diagram is that you have to make this line. Otherwise, if you will come direct from here, some confusions are there. So better you make this line compulsory. From 3d, you will come to 4p, then 5s. Then from 5s again you will go to 4d, then 5p, then 6s, then you can again go to the top and you will have 4f, 5d, then 6p, 7s. Again you have to cross in between these two orbital lines. So you will have 5f, 6d, 7p, then our 8s. Then from 8s you can go up and you have to cover both these orbital. And in last, the 7f orbital will come alone. So this how you can make the pattern for above principle, but you have to practice it once or twice. It's not that much tough. So the order of filling of electron in an orbital can be drawn in the easy manner like this. Generally आपने देखा हुआ है in the standard 11th also what the way you are making it. So first you make 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f. But what is the most important important thing here is that when we start filling, you have to start filling from 1s. Then you will come down. Again you will go up. Then you have to come down for the 2s. Then you will go up as the energy is increasing here. So 2p. Then you will come to 3s. Then from 3s you have to go to 3p. Then you will come down for the 4s. Then again you have to go up for 3d. Then 4p. Then 5s. Then it will come your 4d. The most important thing in this diagram that if you forget this middle line ना तो आपको थोड़ा problem हो जाता है. So please practice this diagram. It is not very tough. So you can see we started from our 1s and we are binding it up on our 7f. So you can see the arrows are going upward, then they are coming downward. By drawing this diagram, we can just see the energy of our orbitals. According to that, we will arrange these orbitals in the increasing order of their energy as. सबसे पहले 1s, then it will come to our 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, then your 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, then 7s. Then after 7s, you can see the electron will go up to 5f, then 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s, 6f, then 7d and 7f. So this is the order for the filling of electrons. First we will fill the 1s electron as the energy is the least, then energy goes on increasing, and we can say that the least energy orbital is filled first. So first we will fill our 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, 4s, like so on. So this is all for the above principle. Just what is Aufbau principle? It is our building up principle. It's known as our building up. So an orbital with the lowest energy will be filled first. So the electrons are filled in the various orbitals in order of their increasing energy. Thanks for watching. Friends, there is one more easy way to draw the Aufbau principle. If you are comfortable, you can also draw in this manner also. So it depends on you which you want to make. So I hope you will practice it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, share with your friends.